Head massage techniques. First step, rub and stroke the Tenzone Acupoint. Second step, smooth from Tenzone Acupoints to the ends of the eyebrows. Third step, gently press and knead the Tenzone Acupoints. Fourth step, soothe the area around the eyes. Fifth step, press and knead the temples. Be careful not to use too much force. Sixth step, rub the ears. Seventh step, massage the sides of the neck. Eighth step, lightly tap the Baihui Acupoint. Ninth step, lift and stretch the neck. 10th step, use your knuckles to massage the gallbladder meridian on both sides of the head. Have you learned this technique?
Step 1. Pinch and knead the trapezius muscle 20 times. Pinch upwards from the bottom. Alright, onto the second step. Press downward at the depression of the scapula. Simultaneously, lift the arm upward. This depression is called the Tenzone Acupoint. Repeat this movement 20 times. Step 3. Grab this area with your hand. Knead and press the acupoints here. Knead in circles 20 times. The pressure should penetrate inside. You might feel a bit sore, but it'll be comfortable after the soreness. Alright. Step 4. Use one thumb to press the Yifeng acupoint behind the ear. The other hand adjusts the head's rotation. Good. Try different angles. If you feel sore, you'll feel very relaxed after this movement. Step 5. After kneading and pressing the Fengfu acupoint at the back of the neck, lift your head. Lift your head. Repeat this 20 times. Alright, onto the sixth step. The most crucial point. Place your arm against her spine. Finger points at the Fengqi acupoint. Slowly tilt the head backward using her body strength. Then, the elbow presses against her spine, moving upward. Hold for 20 seconds. Alright, stand up. How does it feel?
Wow, very comfortable. I feel completely relaxed.
Quickly learn it at home.
Home back meridian massage. Step 1. Divide and push the trapezius muscles on both sides, then strengthen with finger knuckles. The force should be slow and steady. Step 2. Straight push the middle Dazhui acupoint. Step 3. Push down the right scapula from top to bottom. Then push the left side. Divide and push both sides with both hands. Step 4. Push the bladder meridian on both sides from top to bottom with thumbs. Step 5. Straight push the middle governing vessel. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Clench your fist and rub the entire back until warm. This place is very crucial. This place is the Tenzone Acupoint. The Tenzone Acupoint is an important connection point for our shoulder. If your shoulder is stiff, sore, and uncomfortable, you can press and knead the Tenzone Acupoint and the scapular bone seam more often. After doing so, your shoulders will be completely relaxed. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge. Waist massage. Step 1. Divide and push outwards with both hands. Step 2. Straight push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine, then retract from both sides. Step 3. Divide and separate the bladder meridian with thumbs. Step 4. Clench fists and rub the lower back until warm. 5 movements to teach you how to relax the armpit. Step 1. Straight push 3 lines. First push the middle, then push both sides. Step 2. Alternately pluck with your thumbs. Step 3. Then push and knead with the palm heels of both hands. Step 4. Push with a clenched fist to the armpit to strengthen. Step 5. Pluck horizontally upwards with your thumb. Then drain towards the arm.
Abdominal Massage Technique 1. Place both hands on the lower abdomen. Use the base of the palms to push upwards, avoiding the bony areas. When reaching the ribs, turn the palms horizontally. Exert force with the palms facing down to press the body downwards, then lower below the navel. Abdominal Massage Technique 2. First, slightly flex the palms. Palms are in a hollow state. Place below the navel. Do wave motions with the palms. Stack both hands together. You can feel like there is chi being sucked into the palms. Our hands are like jars, with a sucking sensation. You may not feel it at the beginning. Doing it repeatedly for several times has very good effects. Uterus care massage. Massage the abdomen along 3 lines. Line 1. Push down along both sides of the ribs, then pull up towards the waist. Line 2. Push down from both sides of the navel, then pull up towards the waist. Line 3. Push down from both sides of the pelvis. Also push up towards the waist. Rapid abdominal relaxation. Taiji 8 diagrams. Circular kneading. Separating and kneading. Pushing with both palms following the meridians. Pushing with both palms facing down.
Today I'm sharing a leg massage technique. First, apply massage oil evenly to the legs. Movement 1. Pinch and knead the inner thigh muscles. Movement 2. Push and pull with the palms back and forth. Movement 3. Use the finger pads to perform direct pushing on the calves. Movement 4. Perform plucking and kneading downwards. Movement 5. Make a fist and use the knuckles to perform direct pushing. Movement 6. Alternately pluck and knead the calf muscles. Movement 7. Grasp and knead the calves with the fingers. Perform each of the above movements 10 to 15 times. Quickly learn these techniques for your family. Heal through your feet? Reflexology targets key zones. Lung points boost immunity. Thyroid areas balance metabolism. Stomach zones improve digestion. Kidney points help detox. Ureter and colon areas support urinary and digestive health. Reproductive zones balance hormones. Sleep points calm nerves, restoring energy and promoting deeper, more restorative rest. Sciatic points reduce lower body pain.